have my Sears Craftsman Lawn Tractor, and we need to change the belt. Ran to Sears, I picked up a new belt, so I'm going to show you how to change. It's simple and easy. We can do this in a couple steps. Really simple. There's really 5 things that you really need to do. You need to get the lawnmower ready by removing your bagger. Then you got a front balance bracket, and then you have a front brace and a back brace for the deck, and then the controls for the blades. Once you release all those, slides right out, change the belt, slide back in, do the reverse. Simple and easy. Let me show you how to do it. Let's go to work. Our first step would be, if you have a bagger, we need to remove the bagger. Once the bagger is removed, then we want to come under here and pull the cotter pin of the center frame. Remove the cotter pin and the washer. Putting a little pressure on the deck, we're going to lift it and remove the bar. Then we're going to move over here, and you're going to have a right and a left handle to remove. Same thing, there's a cotter pin, removed the same way. Turn it up. You want to make sure you get this part out. Again, once the cotter pin is out, you're going to have a washer, and you want to put them in safe places. And you can see the deck will disconnect. I'm going to leave it connected till we do the other side. Put them in a safe place. Now we're back on the other side. All the pressure's on this one, so I am going to have to lift up and pull out. Now you have your front leveling or bracket. Same thing, same cotter pin. Slide that front part up, slide it off. Again, safe place. Other side. That's free. Now the only thing that's holding is your old belt and your controls. Right now this is your controls, and obviously your belt's on there. So what we want to do is, to give us some room to work, we can now slide the deck out. So we can slide the deck out, and we have this much playroom. Okay, now the belt's holding us, so that's all we got. But now we can get this spring. Okay, this spring has way too much tension to just release it right here. So what we're going to do is loosen this up, give us some play, so we can unattach the spring there. Save the bolt, and now we got plenty of room to release the controls. We're going to just push the deck in a little bit just to give us a little room. We'll take the belt off from these guides, and the deck should be free. Pull the deck out. We have full access at the belt, and if you ever wanted to do the blades, you would flip it up and do the blades. We're just going to swap the belt for now. Very simple to remove the old one. You have guides here and guides here. Pop it over the guides. Take the belt off. And now we're ready for the new one. Now, there are instructions on putting the new one on. Okay, if we follow the instructions, we'll clean up this mess. Good opportunity to clean up. But there. Here. Okay. Okay. Here. Okay. Now the belt's ready to go. Now we're ready to insert it and do the reverse. Let's hook up the spring while we now have easy access. When hooking the spring back up, the spring has to go under the belt. So you want to make sure it's under the belt. Hook it on. Put the screw in. Get it on there nice and tight. Okay, now we're ready to slide the whole deck under and slide it in place. And our back wheel is hitting back there. And our loader is hitting. Slide it into place. Now we got to put the front belt guide on. Very simple. We have plenty of room, but we want to get it inside these loops as a guide. Goes around the other side and up in the loops. Belts on, deck's in place. Now let's start putting it together. While we're here, we've got our front access. Washer back on, and our cotter pin. While we're here, let's put our back brace on. Yeah, it's tough, but we get it. There you go. All right, now, I'm sorry, I called that back before, but this is, we put the front brace on. Now we want to put the back brace on, and as you can see, we're off a little bit, so we're going to have to get a lift on the deck. So we want to lift it, slide it on, washer first, cotter pin on, cotter pin on. Okay, this side's all set. Let's go to the other side. Because of the play of the back, we need to put the front piece on first because that's a solid play. So as you can see, we need to move the deck back a little bit. So get it on there. Slide it in there. Nice click to get the back. We're gonna have to lift the deck a little bit and get some movement out of it. The deck, got that? How easy is that? There you go. How simple was that? Hey, it took us what? Maybe 10-15 minutes to change the belt? Simple and easy. Hardest part might have been finding the belt over at the store. But we got it done. I hope you learned something from this video. I hope it helped you. Hey, thanks for watching. I'm Ken Deininger. Just another backyard project. Let's go cut some grass.